Okay, so let's start with our topic, application software for CSS, uh, software management. So, how do we manage application softwares? Okay, first we have installing and removing software. Uh, Let me read this first. Basahin ko na. It must be installed on a computer. Software for personal computers typically comes on CDs. Okay. So, yung mga software na yan, pangkaraniwan, ay naka-CD like this one, yung Windows 7. Okay, home premium edition. Then, aside from CDs, we can also download from the internet or from the web yung ating application software. For example, this one, yung Windows 10, which is free. Okay, pwede natin siyang i-download for free. And then, on installing and removing software, second, the software is physically installed in your computer and runs from your hard drive. Okay, so pagka mag-install tayo ng application software, to make sure na naka-install sa hard drive natin, check po natin yung ating installation po. Dapat nasa C. Pangkaraniwan po ang ating hard drive ay drive C. Okay, like this one, yung iTunes. Okay, naka-destination file or folder, C program files iTunes. And then, most operating systems have an add remove program feature. So, pangalawa po sa mga application software ay meron pong program and features. Okay? Ayan. Meron po siyang ganyan. Uninstall features. So, pili ka lang dyan ng application software, then pwede mo siyang uninstall. Okay? Or you organize. And then, we have here installer versus ito pala yung install and uninstall program feature. Ito, installer versus uninstaller files. Ayan. So, ito yung files. Pagka nag-download tayo via the internet ng application software or via sa CD, pangkadalasan may nakasama po yung uninstaller or installer file. So, ito yung example po. So, hanapin lang po natin yun, tapos double click, at maglo-launch na po yan sa installation or uninstallation. Okay. Next, installed software versus web-based software. So, let me read this first. Installed software, software you buy from the market or downloaded from the internet to your computer. The software is physically installed in your computer and runs from your hard drive. Usually, these kinds of software are wrapped inside a CD case when you buy it from market. Example is Microsoft Office, games, etc. So here, ito po ito yung example ko sa naka-package na software. Okay? Or installed software. We have Photoshop CC 2020 and naka-box pa yan, naka-packaging. Okay, you can buy this from the market. Okay? And then, aside from this, we have web-based software. Software that are run from the internet. Example, online game. I have here Game of Thrones. Yan, browser game or online game. Then, aside from this, we have Google Earth. Okay? Google Earth, ito. So, parang siya, pinicturean siya live. Plus, may picture siya. Example natin is Eiffel Tower. Okay? Yan, parang nasa ibabaw ka, naka-drone ka. Kita mo yung top view ng lugar. Anywhere from the world. And kung ayaw mo naman ng ganyan, we have Google Maps. Okay? Pamapa naman siya. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung picture. Ito. Okay. How do we distribute software? Okay, or software distribution. So, how is software distributed? First, it can be distributed through package. Okay, so we have package software. It is mass produced. Example is Microsoft Office. Okay, ayan. Price ito sa market, I think it's 1,600. Okay. Next to package software, we have shareware. Okay, shareware are distributed free for trial period, like yung WinRAR. Okay, so pwede mo siya ma-download, pero with limited features. Okay, ibang shareware applications, may time trial. Okay, usually 1 month trial. Okay, so kung gusto mo forever siya na access at o kaya gusto mo yung full feature ng WinRAR, kailangan magbayad. Okay, so yun yung shareware. Libre siya, pero hindi mo makuha yung buong feature, kaya hindi mo magagamit ng pangmatagalan kung hindi ka magbabayad eventually. Okay, shareware. Next, we have freeware. Okay, copyright software provided at no cost. So, ito, freeware, walang bayad, pero may copyright. Yan, may copyright siya, pero libre siya. Like Audacity, OpenOffice, 7zip, etc. Okay? And then, aside from freeware, we have public domain software. Ito naman, libre na siya. At the same time, wala pa siyang copyright restriction, So, examples, we have I2P, NCBI Blast, saka SQLite. So, ito yung free version ng SQL. SQLite. Aside from public domain software, we have open source software. Okay? Provided for use, modification, and redistribution. Example, we have Linux, Wikipedia, Apache, Java, etc. Skype, Android, Opera. Okay. So, sa open source, pwede tayo mag-modify, kaya mag-redistribute. Ang maganda rito, kung kaya mag-program, pwede ka mag-program sa Linux, sa Java. Okay? Kahit dagdagan mo or bawasan mo. Wikipedia, ganun din. Pwede mong edit yung content, pwede ring ikaw mag-upload. So, open source po siya. Okay, next. Custom software. Okay, perform functions to a specific or to a business or industry. So, custom software, ito, example, we have CRM development and database program, and database development, mobile apps, B-apps, software consulting, integration solution, product development. In other words, itong application software na to, itong custom software na to, ginagawa to for business or organization purposes. When you say organization, either religious, cultural, or club. Yan. Okay? This is application software. Okay? Custom software. So, programmers ang gumagawa po nito or developer. Okay? And they sell it usually on businesses. Okay? So, how is application software written? Paano ba nagagawa itong application software? So, application software are written in programming languages, and we have a lot. XML, Pascal, Visual Basic, Assembly, Fortran, Java, Python, and Perl, PHP, etc. Okay, so programming language. So, again, there's a lot. Perl, C++, LISP, JavaScript, okay, Python, and then set of keywords. Okay, programming programs are set of keywords, symbols, and a set of system rules for constructing statements, okay, by which humans can communicate instructions to be executed by a computer. Okay? So, yun yung programming language. Isa siyang set of statements na para execute ni computer. Okay? And different languages have different characteristics as we can see on the picture. Examples are PHP, C Sharp, C, Objective-C, Java, Python, and the list go on and on. Okay? Every 3 months ka o every 6 months, may bago na naman programming language. Ano po? So, ganun po. No? So, there's a lot of programming language. Okay. In summary, okay, I have discussed software management, uh, both on installation and uninstallation, software distribution, okay, from package to custom, then programming languages, which are a lot. For my next topic, I have software issues and trends. Okay, that will be my discussion for my next video. So that's it for today, and see you.